Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the right business plan and registering your company domain so email and identity line up. Create an admin account and enable multi-factor authentication. This protects everything from day one. Once done, add users and assign licenses based on roles to avoid overpaying. Make sure to set organization-wide settings like region and data residency early, because these affect compliance and performance. These initial steps get your tenant secure and ready for migrations and user onboarding. Next, focus on the core services and integrations that run daily operations. Migrate mail using the method that fits your environment. For larger orgs, pick staged or hybrid to reduce disruption. Configure teams with meeting and external access policies, design SharePoint sites and OneDrive quotas to match workflows. Then, roll out Intune and conditional access to secure endpoints, add DLP and retention labels for compliance. Once configured, test sign-ins and core collaboration flows so users can work without friction. To finish, train users on Teams, SharePoint, and secure file sharing while deploying update channels for Office apps to control releases. Make sure to establish help desk procedures and run pilot groups so you catch issues early. Monitor tenant health and security with the Admin Center and Microsoft 365 Defender. Use analytics to optimize license usage. If problems occur, first replicate the issue and check service health. If it persists, collect logs and escalate to Microsoft support with timestamps and affected accounts for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.